out of the car. Step out of the car. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
All right, what's going on? What did I do?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Get on the ground!
Hey, I didn't do nothing. My mom, dude, I didn't do What did I do? What did I do?
Keep your hands where I can see them!
I'm 30.
Drive is suspended. You're under arrest.
For that?
Yep.
Oh my God! Are you serious? I'm gonna search you, make sure you don't have anything on you, okay? You have anything on you? Guns, knives, bombs, because anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, or hurt me? Alright, you have shoes?
No, they threw them over there.
Okay.
It's been hell. It was a simple traffic stop. Like, how did I get what I deserved? Like, I got a ticket. I would have deserved a ticket or something, but not to be punished.